Hey everyone, so welcome back to another video on our channel, and in this video we are going to talk about the Tech Mahindra recent updates about the second round that have been completed for the first phase students yesterday. So second round was psychometrics and technical assessment. So those students who have been in the second phase and they just completed their aptitude exams yesterday, they must watch my earlier videos about the exam pattern and what mistakes you should not make in this psychometric test. Even in the psychometric test you might get eliminated if you are doing this mistake. So I will add those two videos link, one for psychometric test and another one for the technical test. I'll give those videos link in the description. If you have this round exam after this, you must check those videos. And for those who have already completed this technical and psychometric assessment, let's discuss about their exam analysis. Okay, cutoff and what was the pattern and what was the cutoff we can get. So let's see. First of all, for the pattern, everything we have already discussed in my earlier video, and the pattern was obviously similar type, 12 questions, 15 minutes. This type of patterns were there for the MCQ rounds, and for the coding rounds there was obviously 2 coding questions and 45 minutes. Okay, and the psychometric test obviously I have discussed, it was like that. So psychometric test, if you have followed those two simple things which I have mentioned in the earlier video, you can easily clear this round. But what about the technical assessment? What was the questions and everything? So especially let's talk about the coding questions first. The coding questions were not difficult, not even too much on the intermediate hard side. No, it was easy to intermediate level for most of the questions. Okay, that means for most of the sets, and most of the people who have basic coding knowledge, they could have easily solved 1.5 to 2 coding questions easily. Okay, so for the MCQ questions out of 12, you can expect like 7 to 8 will be the cutoff. If there is sectional cutoff still remaining in this year also, they should easily be that 7 to 8. Okay, and for the coding questions, you can expect at least 1.5 is going to be easily the cutoff. Okay, because the questions were easy and most of the people already solved 2 coding questions totally. So 1.5 to 2 is going to be the cutoff limit for this coding round, because even if they decide that the cutoff should be less, it will be near about 1.5 only. Okay, so that's about the cutoff analysis and the exam pattern analysis of this technical assessment. What now is going to be the your communication test or the conversation test. That is totally based on your English speaking skills, that is your fluency, your pronunciation. Okay, these things they are going to test in the conversation test. That is going to be a version test that happens for every company nowadays. So if you don't know or not given any exam of any other company yet, you can just search version test or communication test. You can see multiple videos on YouTube, you can practice from there, you can also check from Google as well. And that is going to happen after today. So the results should come by today or tomorrow, because there is one more day time for the version test or conversation test. So the results might be coming today or might be coming tomorrow as well. So do not be panicked if you are not receiving your results yet. There is still time. And that is going to be what is the cutoff. You might say that more than 65 to 70% students are going to clear this particular round. Okay, so approximately that 60 to 70% is going to be the criteria, and 20 to 30% students are going to get eliminated in this round. So that's it. And if you have any other queries regarding this particular round, you can comment down. But after this particular round, there is very less students that are going to get eliminated in each round, because the conversation test also generally everyone passes. Very few students are there who could not clear it, and in the interviews also majority of the students clear the interviews. So that's it. So if you are new to our channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button, join our Telegram and WhatsApp from the description box link, and also make sure to click on the bell icon after subscribing, because we post multiple hiring, onboarding and interview updates every day regularly. Make sure not to miss out.